My name is Seher Khawaja, and I am the Deputy Legal Director at Legal Momentum, the Women's Legal Defense and Education Fund. We are very proud to have worked alongside Power New York and other key partners to help enact pay transparency legislation in New York City and New York State, and we are especially thrilled to see pay transparency protections go into effect in New York State as of September 17, 2023. Under the new law, employers with 4 or more employees must include a good faith compensation range and job description, if one exists, in any advertisement for a job, promotion, or transfer opportunity. The law applies to opportunities that can or will be physically performed, at least in part, in New York, as well as remote opportunities that can be performed outside the state but report to a supervisor, office, or other work site in New York. Under the law, a good faith range includes the minimum and maximum annual salary or hourly range of compensation that the employer in good faith believes to be accurate at the time of posting. Employers cannot retaliate or penalize applicants or employees for exercising their rights under this law, and any member of the public who identifies a violation of the law can file a complaint with the New York State Department of Labor, which can investigate and issue penalties. Covered employers are subject to a sliding scale of civil penalties up to $3,000 for repeated violations. Pay transparency requirements are already in effect in New York City, and while we have seen widespread compliance, we've also seen notable gaps, with many large and prominent employers skirting the law by posting overbroad salary ranges that undermine transparency. It's essential that employers post reasonable and legitimate ranges that accurately reflect the pay they plan to offer. These new laws serve as a critical tool to advance more equitable and fair pay for all workers across our state, and we want to make sure that workers are empowered to use this law to advocate for better pay, to identify unfair pay practices, and to seek out better employers in higher paying industries.